Hi, my name's Louisa Sijabat. I'm a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. Today's question is, my customer owes me a lot of money. I'm not able to collect this debt from them and I've tried everything that I can think of. I'm now thinking about putting them into liquidation. How do I go about doing that? So, the first thing I'll say about this is that I highly recommend you involving your solicitor in this process. This is because there's quite a few documents that need to be prepared, and they need to be prepared exactly right. Because if there's errors, certain types of errors in them can result in these documents being invalid, and then you have to start all over again, which of course is more time and more cost. So, having said that, the brief outline of the process is that your company or you need to issue a statutory demand to the company that owes you money. So typically with a statutory demand, it's prepared by a solicitor, and once it's issued, the other side, so the customer or the debtor, the one who owes you the money, has 21 days to comply with it. Compliance usually means payment or coming to some sort of agreeable payment arrangement with you. Now, if the 21 days passes and they don't comply, as in they don't pay or come to some agreeable payment arrangement with you, your solicitor can then proceed to file what's called a winding up application with the court. Winding up is another word for liquidation. So basically this is an application to the court to apply to liquidate this other company. Now, that's super high level and there's lots of detail involved in this process. I'll drop a link below for the federal court website that includes what's called a winding up checklist. However, like I said before, I highly recommend that you get a good solicitor who's experienced in this area to help you in this process.